It's capable, it's comfortable, and it's cool. The new 2025 Ram 1500 Laramie. Oh, baby. Ram styling. We got the color match bumper and grille. We have the new 3-liter Huracan inline-6 turbocharged engine, 24 miles per gallon highway. Now, we've got these 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Bridgestone Duelers. We go inside, here's where the fun really begins. We have leather seats in here, a little bit of a suede insert. I love that. These are powered, also heated and vented. We have the big, huge console here, wireless charging connectivity, integrated trailer brake controller, 12 inches of screen, including navigation. Here's our transmission shifter, 4-wheel drive controls, traditional gauge cluster, and also a digital driver information station and a premium Alpine stereo. Plenty of room in the back, seating for 5. Big, huge rubber mats throughout. Also, we have the in-floor storage, power inverter, USB hubs, also powered second row air cup holders. Oh yeah, and plenty of storage in here for more gear. Now for the back, we have the Ram boxes are back, baby. Oh yeah. Now we have our tailgate down, it's lit, and we have these accessory rails with our tie-down cleats. We can adjust those for all of our cargo needs, and of course we have a hitch. We're ready for a trailer and dual exhaust. Let that Huracan breathe at 24 miles per gallon highway on the new 2025 Ram 1500 Laramie 4x4 from Ed Payne Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in Weslaco, Texas. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres regardless.